The world wants to go home. That's why the 2016 film called Lion had such global acclaim. Let's check out the trailer and then we'll make some comments about it.
I don't have a choice.
What was she like?
Beautiful. Every night I imagine that I'm walking those streets home, and I know every single step of the way. And I whisper in her ear, I'm here.
Well, it was an incredibly powerful film based on this incredible true story as well. Remarkable. A little boy, 5 years old in India, Saru, who'd fallen asleep on a train and then traveled thousands of miles and wasn't even able to find his way back again. And then it moves towards him going to Australia, being adopted by a couple there, and then finally meeting his actual mother. And then 25 years later, this is what he said later in the film: I'm safe, and all the questions have been answered. There are no more dead ends. I found my mother. It's a powerful film because it taps into a feeling which is right across the globe. In Wales, there is a word called hiraeth, which is the longing for home, the longing for belonging. But similar ideas exist in cultures, countries all around the globe. Why is that? We might say, why is it that we want to get home? Even people that have never left their birthplace still feel that somehow they're cut off from home and want to get back there again. We get hints in different stories. Emily Dixon, Charlotte Bronte, and Dorothy Sayers, where they talk about home not being so much a place or a time as a person. That's the deepest insight of all. What we're saying in this film Lion, what's being shown to us, is that deep down, all of us need to really go home. Not to the place where we were born. Sometimes we know we may be there still, or we might not be able to get back again. No, to the person who is home itself. In the Bible, Jesus is speaking about being our God through all generations. Before the hills, before the mountains were given birth, he was the Lord of all. He is the one that we have all been looking for all of our lives. He is the home, we might say, of the whole human race. He's the one who made us in overflowing love and kindness at the very beginning of human history. He's the one that we all turned away from. He's the one that we chase after, where we're looking for the one, we're looking for this experience or that experience. All those things are dead ends until we meet him and know his smile, his forgiveness, his love and his kindness. So in this incredibly powerful film, Lion, we're being invited back to come home, to come to know Jesus Christ, the one who made us, the one for whom there's no one greater, nothing greater than him. Today, right now, however you're feeling, you can come home to God. You can come home to Jesus and know him and find yourself at home forever.